All right, welcome to today's market outlook as usual. As you all know, this is market outlook for the next week that we are intending to look into. We had a one last week as usual. Every week we just more or less present an expo into the new week of the market, giving you the bias and the bias directional bias for the market, so you can have an edge ahead of the market, so you can be able to make profit for this week. For those who are just joining us, you should know that by now any predictions we do or we make on any of our peers are always being crazy, are always accurate. You should know by now that none of them go otherwise. You can look some of our videos for last week, our market live trading market outlook. It was crazy. It all goes. You can look the link below above this video. You see the link and watch it so as to know how well some of our biases has been going accurately and excellently, so that you can listen to today's market outlook for this new week and get an expo, get ahead of the market for yourself, and use able to use some of this our expo and make money for yourself for the week. Today's week, should I go into the one we did last week? That was Sunday 12th. Okay, because of our time, let me just go into today's week. Yeah, of course. Please, if you are just joining to on us, I want you to go to some of our videos is around this video now. You can watch it last week on to see, and the previous is what we have done to see how well our live trading market section as well has been fantastic, as well as been so crazily excellent and accurate in direction that wherever we say it will go, and it will definitely go, just because we are so much experienced and we are so much expert in what we do. That is why market keep obeying us. It's not by our power. So anyway, let's do for this week. Let me so for this week. Today's this week Sunday. Market outlook. Today is Sunday is what 20th of July. So I will be looking at AUD card, a sell, a massive sell market. AUD card. Let me show you. Let's show you why we'll be looking at a sell. Let's show you. Let's show you guys. Let's show you. Let's show you. This is what this market started. This is the last low we created here. We got a higher line, lower low, higher high, lower low. So we've already done another higher high here. So we be a lower high here, rather showing a sell. Then it should be able to come back here and feel this pin bar. Once you feel this, first of all, you have to feel this one at the top here first. Once you feel this at the top here first, you come back and feel this before you come back and feel this one. Feel itself first. You come back and feel itself and come back and come and feel this one. So market should stop someone around here. Market should stop here, or take this away and come and stop someone around here. However, we are not so good. We'll be looking at for just to catch 1 to 6 it's what ratio on this market. Can you see? So market should stop someone around here. So that's what's about 1 to 6 or 1 to 3 rather. Sorry, 1 to 3. So firstly, we are expecting a pullback to this trend line or this cycle level. Once the pullback, I'll be entering this market. I'm not entering at the moment. I'll enter just the pullback, then sell short for a good 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. That is for that. The second trade I'll be looking out for is this baby. Of course, EURJPY. This is a counter trend market, but it's a bit clean and and then of course tendency for sell for short in the market. I sure know I do not really take counter trend market like that, but for those who want to take it, this is a good short. You can see a good short market. This 1 2 3 is a what we call one of the candlesticks. We all of the candle we call a reversal candle formation pattern is in our what we call entry candlesticks. The candle template we give to our students, we have about 20 of them. So if you need this stuff, is also we also inside of it we also have entering signals candlestick where we can know when to enter. If you need this, I still keep saying it. Comment below right now and let me know if you need it. So as many comments that we see that needs it, will show us that you guys really need it. Then we can send it to your email. We will request for your email and our team will send it to your email. Am I talking? So if you need that, let us know so we can send it to your email. So thank you for that. So I'm looking for a sell, a short market here. short market here. Once the market gives what a confirmation entry candlesticks only. If it doesn't, then the market will be still be buying. It's still a buy market though. So we are just consider the confirmation market. It's still a very soft buy market, except it gives a confirmation here, comes below here, and then that's when you can begin to think of sell. Right now, it's still a good buy. Still, you can see that the trend market on a buy on a long move. So that is for that. That's the second pair. The third one is GDPAUD. I'm looking at a buy market. Once market comes here, you can see this is the last low here. It creates a good engulfing, a strong one, very sweet one. Market engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see? Very sweet one. Then we tested and go. That shows what a change in bias of a directional that is coming from itself. This is a buy market right now. So I think the market to come here and it must give us a confirmation, entry candlestick confirmation before we enter it. It must give up what we call entering candlestick confirmation before we enter it. It must give up entering candlestick. If it doesn't, there's no entering. Remember, I used to tell you guys that market speak a language. Do not forget that markets what speaks a language. So you are responsible to interpret. It is your work, it is your duty, obligation to interpret the language of the market, the language of the candlesticks. Candlesticks speaks a lot of language a lot. So we have what we call a template that helps us to understood the candlestick languages. So these are what we use to enter the market. If what is talk to me, once you see it, I will know that oh, this is ready to sell, this is ready to buy. This, if you need this template, we can give it to you. Comment below right now on this video so our support can send to your email. Okay, thank you so much for that. And that remind me as well, if you're just watching us for the very first time, we want to urge you, please and please subscribe to our channel, and of course follow us, comment, like, so you can learn much more from us. As well, if you want to join our community, it's free. We have a family on Telegram. You see the link on this video's description. Also, in my bio, you can join us. We drop a lot of signals every blessed day, not weekly, not monthly, not occasionally, every blessed day. Last week's signals, we dropped about 20 signals for the week. We killed about 19 and we lost just one. That is tantamount to like 90% accuracies. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So you wouldn't want to meet such things, man. So if you want to join our family, join us on Telegram right now. Click the link and join us on Telegram right now, and let's do this together. So we'll be looking at what a buy market when the market comes here and give us a confirmation. But because it can keep selling, it's possible it can keep selling and come and stop here or even stop here. Yes, and then the market is very funny. So that is for that. Also, we'll be looking out for what NZD card as well. NZD card, we'll be looking out for a sell. This baby here, I already sold it actually on Friday evening. I sold it. I saw this baby here. I had an entry here. I love the setup because I was solely using 10 pips. I had an entry. When market gave me an engulfing and we tested. I entered here. Market goes here and came back to, and I opted at something 1 year. After that, 1 year because my market was already getting late, and I knew that on Fridays like that, market closes so too early. I wish this setup came around Tuesday or Wednesday. I will be willing to hold it for 2 3 days because it will give me at least not less than 1 to 8 or 10 reward. I'll be so good for the week. It will be so fantastic, so sweet. Can you see, guys? 1 to 8. It's so sweet, guys. So sweet, guys. However, it's not still bad. I will be also be waiting for it. Once you test to this my trend line or stack level, I'll enter it and be open to go 1 to 8 or stop here at 1 to 5. If market gives a reaction, say I want to retest around this point, I want to stop, I will opt out. And if not, I'll be holding till we get to somewhere around here, 1 to 7 or 1 to 8. So that is on that. That is on that, guys. That's on that. So that is for that. I think the last one also, GDP and GDPUSD as well. Once the market we tested, I want to enter for a sell as well. That is the 6 pairs we are looking at to trade in live pips FX. Don't forget, I remain Sam Inde. And of course, don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our channel, and learn more from us. Thank you for joining me once again, everybody. I wish you a profitable profitable week ahead, and have a wonderful week and enjoy your week. Have a good tradable signals, and of course, a good week. Thank you, everybody. and peace out. Bye for now, guys.